3 days, 3 states. Academy clearance was a movie. Just came out of the Academy extra 75% off clearance event that we called out in the group. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got as we put it in the car. We got a ton of these pre-workouts, different brands, an additional 75% off of that price. I think these are both. We got a Redcon here. We've got another Redcon. That's what's all in that bag. We got some of these. Is that another Redcon? Okay, maybe I lied. Maybe they're all the same brand. I swore there were like multiples, different brands, but either way, these go for like $40 each, and they were like anywhere between $8 and $12 a piece. Then we got bunches of these shoes here. What are these? 55, so they were like $13 or $14 for these. Asics, got a couple pairs of those. So 2 pairs of those. Then we got some Trae Youngs here. $15 for some Trae Youngs. You cannot beat that, especially for the icy white colorway. That'll be an easy like $50 to $60. Then we got some Adidas here for like $13, I think. I'm just doing the math off the top of my head, but those will just be like a $45, $50 pair. This was a good find here. We got these training mitts for boxing, Everlast. $43 before they take it off, and these go for $50 all day long. 45 on these, so probably about 12, 13 bucks, and they go all day long for $40. Then we got some New Balances here, $90 before the discount, extra 75 on those. Those go for like $70 minimum. Got some Merrells here, $90 before the discount, so like 22 bucks or so on those. And the solds on those are between $70 and $80. And then we got some of these fancy Zoom Freak Giannis's. Come in a really cool box. Prices are kind of all around over the place on these. They had a bunch of them, so I left the bigger size, or I left the smaller sizes. Took the bigger 9.5. Unfortunately, that's the biggest size they had. But at that price of like $27, they're going between $60 and $70. So I just couldn't pass them up. All that for a total of $312. That's as easy as it gets. This is day 2 actually of the sale, so we could have gotten more yesterday, but this is like an hour away, so my dad and I just thought we could come today and hit it. But lots of members in the group were able to clean up on sales, and I'm going to just run a slideshow here of that. This has been a crazy sale, and next week we're expecting them to do the $5 and $10 sale, so we'll call that out to the group as well. If you're interested in joining Bread and Butter, you can check that out, first link in the description. So yesterday, the last clips you guys saw, we were in West Virginia. I'm from Columbus, and then today my dad and I drove to Indianapolis, so we're going to see what these 3 stores have. that was a very long day. All the way to Indianapolis for 4 stores, but as you can see, it was an absolute movie. I was gonna show you guys everything that we got right now, but I am really tired. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and my dad and I left at like 8 a.m. this morning, so it's been a long day, but it's been a fun day, so it's time to spend some time with Sunny, and tomorrow I will go through everything one by one, how much I paid for it, what it's gonna sell for, so see you then. All right, next day, I'm going to try as best as I can to hit on everything, but obviously I have a lot of different kinds of pairs of shoes. I've even started listing, so I've got a bunch over here. Try as best as I can, but again, it's an additional 75% off the yellow tag, so $20 on these Under Armours here that go for $80 plus all day long. We got these Air Maxes here for like 16 bucks. Air Maxes are an easy like $70, $75. These, I actually got 3 of them. Like I've got one of them over on the table over there. FootJoy, Titleist, Pro V1 bucket hats. Come on, that is too easy. Those, I don't think the price tag was on here. They had to look them up. They rang up for $6 and they sell for like 45 to 50. Then we've got some more Nikes. Don't even need to comp those at $15 for Nikes. These even cheaper, $12.50. That's crazy. Another $15 pair of Nikes. Like that's a no-brainer. Then obviously you can see we've got all of these Bates boots here. These I sell really well every winter. They were $17.50 and they're currently going for like $63. Then we've got these cleats over here. $15 on each of these. These are Mbappe, so those will sell really well. We've got these Messis, which I know those will be fantastic. And those were like 17 bucks. Got an expensive pair of boots here, $35 on those. I think those were going for over like 140. Coming over here, I got this grill. I think this was like $25 or $30. It goes for like 120. It is heavy, but it's a pretty compact box, so it shouldn't be too bad. We got tons of these Colts beanies. That'll be all throughout here. Those were like $3.50 or $4. Easy money on those, especially with the throwback logo. Those will go for 20 bucks all day long. This back plate here, Battle Black back plates always go really well. And it was under 10 bucks. Don't know if I showed this already or not because all the hauls are kind of going together, but a $350 retail North Face jacket. It was like 38 bucks or something and going for like 200, 250, even more come Christmas. Got some Nike headbands, had like nothing in those. You can see there were 15 before the discounts. A lot more shoes, Skechers, Nikes, more Skechers. I mean, come on, these Skechers here were 45 before the discount. That's absolutely crazy. $11, $12 Skechers. That is stupid. This was going for 50 bucks. I got 2 of these, as you saw. I got at the one at the first store. More and more Nikes here. I'm not doing a very good job of going one by one, but everything is kind of all over the place. Try to show some prices here. These were just too easy. Too easy of prices. Got some Giannis's in here. Got some more of those Under Armours. Some Zoom Freak, some more Giannis's. This was a really good deal, $15 for some Columbia boots. Got some more beanies, got some hats in here. Yeah, they had these tailor-made hats. How much were those? I think those were like 3 or 4 bucks. I can't find the tag on them. In here we have some more Nike beanies. $5, so let's go for like $20, $22. So there's a bunch of Nike beanies in there. And then I got a ton of these football gloves. Nike football gloves are easy money, so they're like 7 or 8 bucks. 7 or 8 bucks on those as well. And this whole bag is filled with those and beanies. As well as we got these Puma indoor soccer cleats, $10. That's crazy. Those go for over like 50. Another pair of those, another pair of Giannis, another pair of Nike. The Asics were really cheap as well. Another pair of Asics, some more Columbias, some more Mbappe. A lot of the same stuff. We got some Skechers. Is that another pair of Under Armours down here? Doing a horrible job of showing the prices here. Yep, another pair of these Under Armours I need to pull out. And these were some really high dollar ones too, if I remember correctly. $20 on those, and those go for quite a bit. Got some more Nikes in here, some more Giannis's, some more Pumas. Everything's pretty much the same. We got these Warrior hockey chest pads. These are an easy flip. So they're half of 75, so about like 18 bucks. If I remember correctly, these were going for like 85. We got like 3 of those. Got some more football gloves over here. And then I think one thing I forgot was the hockey gloves. So they were like $22.50, and these were going for like 80 plus as well, and it's almost hockey season. So looks like it's a mess, but it was an incredible haul. So now I've got to work on getting all of that listed. If you don't want to miss out on the next clearance event like this, we're waiting on a couple more. You can check out my reselling group, Bread and Butter, first link in the description. This is some of our last opportunities to stock up on some inventory for Q4 as sales are about to explode. There's money to be made over, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.